Hello everyone, welcome back. If the iPhone apps is not downloading or stuck on waiting or loading, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to check the internet connection. We have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. If you're using cellular or mobile data, better connect to Wi-Fi. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. The second one is launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If you're using any beta profile on your iPhone, then back to the stable version of iOS. And also check the iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If the iPhone is running out of space, then make some space. The next solution is we have to go back to settings and general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. The next solution is force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Finally, what we have to do, launch settings, general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. In the end, do one more thing, launch App Store, tap on your profile icon in top right corner and sign out from the App Store. After sign out, wait for a few seconds, then sign in back. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.